I think it was a very nice week. There were a lot of points that I had gone through. So the first one was the implementation tracker. I think that is the go-to book for our weekly updates. I think there are all the points that we have mentioned in the implementation tracker tells us that how much we have progressed. The first of all, I took mine and my family members and the DME disc test. So that told us a lot about our personalities. Second thing, I think I have listed it down here. I think I have the daily sync, the weekly sync. The first time this week, I started with the first weekly sync that I did yesterday. The Google Calendar and the Keep, that is the best thing because I know exactly what slots. So first of all, I go capturing the event and then putting a specific date and time. So I think कोई भी काम मेरा मिस नहीं हो रहा है बिकॉज मेरे हर काम का एक स्लॉट बन गया है या टाइम है कि मैं इसे इतने टाइम पे एड्रेस करूंगा. तो जो लोड यहाँ था आई थिंक दैट इज इन माई कैलेंडर एंड आई हैव अ स्पेसिफिक टाइम. और मुझे ये भी लोड नहीं है कि ये काम नहीं हुआ इस टाइम पे. तो बिकॉज फॉर एवरी टास्क एंड एवरी डे आई हैव अ डेली बफर एंड फॉर अ वीक आई हैव अ वीकली बफर कि अगर मेरा काम रह जाएगा तो आई कैन पुश इट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोई क्लाइंट्स वॉक इन हो जाते हैं एंड आई कैन नॉट कंट्रोल दैट because I need to pay. That is my first attention. So I put my task like कुछ task थे तो मैंने weekly buffer में उनको move कर दिए and that got it done beautifully in the weekly buffer. सबसे अच्छा मुझे लगा the daily journal that I do and the weekly journal because I have made it a point because it tells me day to day update. जो मैंने अगले दिन के लिए प्लान किया है वो उसकी नेक्स्ट दिन की ट्रैकिंग में आ जा रहा है कि व्हाट कुड आई हैव डन येस्टरडे एंड व्हाट आई हैव डन टुडे, व्हाट आई प्लान फॉर टुडे. वो नेक्स्ट 3 अमेजिंग थिंग्स में आया कि नहीं आया. सो आई थिंक एट वो डे टू डे ट्रैकिंग में इट इज गिविंग मी अ फीडबैक हाउ मच ऑफ इट आई एम एबल टू कंप्लीट. सो इफ वी आस्क इन आवर डेली सिंक फ्रॉम आवर टीम कि ये हमारा काम क्या हुआ कल और आज का क्या प्लान है और नेक्स्ट दिन वही पूछते हैं, तो ये हमारे लिए भी जर्नल उसी तरीके से वर्क कर रहा है कि हमने कल आज के लिए क्या प्लान किया और कल में क्या वो काम हुए कि नहीं हुए. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल फीडबैक फॉर अस. I for the first time we have defined a purpose for our company. So that is the most amazing thing because जो हम सोचते थे हम क्या करना चाहते हैं लोगों के लिए, I think we have beautifully got it in our words and what we are offering to the people in terms of the service. The I spoke about so prospects. So I think most important is that if I have an upcoming meeting, so I know where exactly to put it. So I can fix that time and I can also plan my day accordingly. So uske liye fir Google Keep mein we can keep our points, what we need to. So we are very short and crisp in that meeting. Again, the daily exercise, meditation, that is beautiful. I think that refreshes you when you start your day with a 5-minute meditation. I think it sets you. So for example, the stories that you send, like art of not forcing. So I think it's a beautiful way to start your day. It puts you in the right mindset at the starting of the day. And I think going through all the points, like the videos that you share, the power of now, the shift, I think everything is telling you that this is what you plan and you be in the moment to do your best. So I think that is where it has helped. Journals, I have put my journal, weekly journal, daily journal that I have put. I think this has all been a very exciting week, I think, and we also plan to do the risk test for all the employees that are there. We started with a little bit of WhatsApp internally to know the birthdays of our employees, and starting with that WhatsApp greetings for our internal team. So I think this was a good and we have hired a good DME who is also there in our meeting. So thanks to the recruitment team of sanjeevjain. So I think that has been the wonderful week for us.
Really, really amazing. I'm very happy to hear so many achievements. So
Yeah.
let me put a few questions to Chirag.
Yeah.
तो Chirag, सबसे पहले purpose क्या define किया?
So I would just read it out. I think 1 second. So our purpose is to provide comprehensive home decor solutions under one roof, empowering the homeowners to transform their residential spaces with easy, saving them time and effort while creating environments that reflect their unique style and enhance their everyday living experiences.
Excellent. Very good.